When starting a YouTube channel, one of the really important aspects is the brand. For that, it's critical to create a real, good-looking banner for your YouTube channel. In this how-to video, we will walk you through on the creation of a banner for your channel, and you will see that this can be done fast, easy, and totally free. Hey, it's Carlos Lima here from How To Guru, where we help you create a solid online presence. If you are new here, please make sure to subscribe and to hit that notification bell. All the links to everything that is mentioned in this video, you can check them in the description box below. I'm not just going to show you how to make your channel banner, but also how to upload that to your YouTube channel. So without further delay, let's jump into it. So how do we create our channel banner? We jump into Google Chrome and into Canva.com. Go to the search bar and type YouTube channel heart. You will create in the size that we need. So we can choose from many templates. I will choose this one because our example is, no, maybe that one. Our example is a gaming site. So let's select that one. So what we can do, I suggest we do always the same thing. We go to uploads and then we upload this picture. This is a template that we are sharing in our description box. You have the link over there, and then you upload it here, and then you put it over here and then replace background. We can take this out. We can leave it, okay? We can leave that. The area that is showing in every device, it's 1546 for 423. This bigger space over here is for tablets. This is for the regular desktops. It's the 2560 by 423. And then the big one is for TVs. Okay, so the majority of our work will be on this area. See that this is already on that area. Delete this and work from scratch. So okay. Now just add some text. We'll select plain text and we'll type our channel title. So for this example, funny world. This is our channel name, and then we can add a different title. It's our slogan, where games come reality. Okay, and now we can select a word for this. Let's maybe this one. Let's select the letter type. Ooh. Yeah, it's fun. This one is fun. Okay, and we'll have the same letter type for the title. Actually, they are different. I like this one. Let's make it both the same. Okay. Now let's make this bigger. I just put this to the side. We can adjust size, make it a little bit bigger over here, and then let's add some color. I suggest let's leverage this green over here and let's make the color the same green. Do we like that green? I like that green. Okay, let's make it that's better. And this is just an example. I'm not a designer. And by the way, we'll go here and then we change also these screens to be this out. And now I'll turn this around. Okay, so it's just additional. Now what we can do is add some image over here. So let's say that we are adding a element. Let's search for gaming. And we have a lot of elements over here that we can choose, or we can use our logo. We can go for the traditional one. Not going for a traditional. Let's say that keep this modern, and let's go for this one. Okay, over here. Then I will just make it smaller. I will tilt it just like that. And now we can see that lettering is not working on the background, so maybe we'll do... At this point, we know that our words, our letters are in place, the images are in place. Now what we have to do is select the background to replace that template one. So we can go to also maybe photos, and then select, let's go for blue backgrounds. Maybe this one. Okay, and then replace background. Okay, so this is our background, and we know that these colors and by the way the lettering also is not working for us. So let's first of all, the color should be white, yeah, and over here also white, and then let's see the letter type. Okay, does this work? I think it's, for this example, it's good enough. Again, I'm not a designer. Now we have to do is download it, and just press download. Now, we need to bear in mind that these files cannot be over 6 megs to be able to fit, to be used as a banner in YouTube. So it is 3.7, so we are okay. Now that we have already designed our banner for our gaming channel, we just need to go to YouTube and make this new design to be our new banner on our channel. So for that we go to YouTube, then we go to our channel, and then press your channel, customize channel. Now you go to branding, and then change image. On the banner image we will select our new banner, and we see over here that this is what's viewable on TV, viewable on desktop. This is what we are going to see, and this is what we see on all the devices. Let's press done. and change the preview over there, just a slightly preview, and then we need to press publish. Don't forget to press publish. If you go out, you lose what we did over here, and you need to upload it again. To have this effect, if we go to view channel, and then here it is. So we have our channel banner in our screen. If you like this video or it helped you in any way, please give us your like and use the comments section to give us your suggestions for future content. You can go here for more content about YouTube channel creation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Cheers!